Okay, rise and shine, morning, people. Today the dryer didn't work. We are putting our laundry like that, and now we are leaving to Cabarete, and we're really excited, right, Pa?
Yes, but our laundry is still
Wet.
wet. You know, it happens also to the good people, you know? It happens in the good family.
Yeah, it's happening. Chanil is trying to compete with us and to do vlogs, but he doesn't understand that.
That we have the magic, you know?
Yeah, like
We are
it's
competitive
a
also.
competition here. Kidding, we love him. Look at this.
Don't know what the
Look where are we staying, and today we're leaving, and it's sad, but when you're leaving, it's sad. Change.
Hey, baby.
I want to say in my vlog. I want to say something in my vlog.
He wants to join my vlog, you know?
He's doing a shoot
Oh
for
my
both.
god!
Oh my god, it's like front and back. It's so cool.
Yeah, so...
Ayelet, we are in a competition.
Yeah,
Don't share it.
You gotta be a man, Papa boy! Yeah, with Papa boy, you know?
Vlog with only guys or vlog with only
Sexy girls, you know?
Just comment us, okay?
What do you want? What do you want?
Daniel, you know where I'm going today? No,
Porto Plata.
No, Cabarete. Daniel is not with us. He is.
I'm with the guy.
Oh my god. I see there is a competition, guys, against girls. But I think that most of our
And I think that most of our people that wants to participate in the video will be guys. So let's talk with people.
Smash the like button, guys.
like
Welcome to the All Girls Vlog. We're gonna join the All Girls Vlog.
Oh my god. This is the city. Last time that we're in the city. And then we're moving to Cabarete. Going to get coffee. What is your favorite drink? Orange juice. Yeah? What do you prefer? No orange juice in your life or no coffee in your life? Really? Really? You remember we said no alcohol?
I really love coffee, really, but I feel that orange juice, and it's not only orange juice, like I'm referring to all the juices, fruit juices, like I think that it's
Yeah, it's healthy.
healthier and I like it, and it's sweet and I love it. So for me, I will choose the healthy and tasty. But first, coffee.
But she's saying orange juice, but she's drinking more coffee than orange juice.
Because you don't have a lot of orange juice, you never taste and it's tasty.
It is right here.
And I take it every time. And also it costs a lot of money.
Yeah.
So you think about it.
It's really orange juice.
But I really love it. I love fresh juices.
Okay, this is the best bakery in Las Terrenas.
It belongs to an Israeli woman.
Of course, Israeli woman.
Belongs to an Israeli
It's not
woman.
because he's Israeli we think
No,
it's
because
the best. It's
no, yeah,
the best.
we really love Israeli
Period.
food. Look at this. What do you think we should get? I think this one
לוקח גם אחד ליותר מאוחר.
or this. This was amazing. Yo,
This is with the nuts.
shit.
Are you nuts?
Okay, guys. I'm doing shy.
Yeah.
Tell me that it doesn't look like the best thing you ever seen in your life.
So tasty.
Yeah, the coffee is really good.
The
You ready?
quality.
Yeah, Bar, closer. Be a good photographer, please. Yeah, Chanel. Oh.
איזה רעש, אלוהים. Yo, what a noise.
so sexy.
Yo,
Mom, I swear we are eating healthy.
delicious.
Yeah, I enjoy. Searching for adventures. Maybe it's a house here?
This is a private place, it says in the beginning. Like, no.
Where?
Yes.
I
Here?
don't know where it's dancing.
We want to see the river and the sea together.
Hola.
Hola.
Hola, hola, bienvenido al paraíso.
Gracias. There's a lot of foreigners because the kindergarten were only.
Yeah. Just kindergarten?
Yeah, so I think the kindergarten just where we parked.
Maybe.
Car.
Wow. Yeah. It's there, a bar. Like the entrance was there. No, this is the place. Yeah. We're going to see the river and the sea together where they are. It's like in Jamaica, actually, Blue Lagoon.
Yeah.
That you have the river and
It's
the
not
sea.
only in Blue Lagoon, you have in Jamaica and a lot of places.
Yeah.
Stuff like
Where also? I don't remember.
The river and the sea. And for example, what we did with Drizzy.
Yeah. In
Also,
Portland
yeah, in
also.
a lot of places.
Yeah. Wow, the wind here is so strong.
Yeah, that's why people are like surfing here.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
The wind and also you have a lot of waves. And you have bars on the beach. It's pretty amazing here. And you have their Jamaican guy and Israeli guy.
Working together.
What do you need more than that? See on the trees how strong the wind. So beautiful. I'm amazed. The colors look unreal. Look at the colors in the camera. Barman Hill.
ישרה, מה שלומך? And there is
Together.
no river.
There is no river, it's dry.
What happened to the river?
Me no know. Me no know.
Guys, don't go inside.
You
Very
can drink,
strong
Shai.
current. Drift away to the ocean.
You can drink.
No, you can swim if you want. It looks really good.
So let's
And
go
deep.
inside. Let's go.
Maybe jump.
Maybe jump. Like this?
Try to jump.
Okay.
Woo! Jump.
Too shallow.
Too shallow. No.
Okay.
Try it. Tell me if it's sweet.
Very sweet.
Oh my god.
Like you.
Oh.
Wow, it's cold.
Look, it's really the river. It's cold, huh?
This is the river everybody talks about, you know? In Israel.
It looks like
This is
Blue
the sea,
Lagoon,
guys.
you don't
It's a
think?
very small territory, let's just give it. It's only from
From-
here until there.
Yeah, only from the river till the sea. What's the problem?
Here, from the river
To the sea.
till the
It's only
sea.
I don't know, 100 meters.
I don't think they spoke about this river and this sea.
But they don't know what river and what sea.
Okay.
So we can just determine.
Really funny video. Now it's a statement from the river to the sea. I don't know even what does it mean, but they're talking about like Israel. And we heard a guy that interviewed a girl in Europe, and then she said to him, "You should bring from the river to the sea." And then he told her, "What river?" And then she was like, "What does it matter?" And then he told her, "No,
This
what
is what
That's
matters.
what matter. What river? What are you shouting? Can you explain to me?" And then she was like, "I don't know what river." And then he said to her, "What sea?" And she was like, "I don't know." And then he started to be like, "Explain to me because you want me to give you the river till the sea. So explain
So
what river,
and
what
what
sea."
sea in order
And
to
then
know.
she got pissed and she left. So it's a bit funny that it's like
So
a really
this is the joke.
a thing for people just to say stuff that they don't really know the history or they don't know.
It doesn't matter history
It's like
even.
to flow with the
yeah.
people, like to flow with
They
the.
don't know what they are saying.
Like don't know the thought, the thinking behind. So if you're saying something before the search, you know.
Winifred Beach, you have the same.
Where in Portland?
Winifred in Port Antonio. Winifred Beach.
What do you mean this? Where we were
You go
with
to the side of the...
Look, I
with Drizzy.
it's hard.
Aww. Aww. Beautiful.
It could be look like balls also.
And boobs.
It looks like also a whale of
Yeah. Wheel.
wheel. Wheel?
Huh.
Not wheel, whale. You're saying whale. But the snapper of the whale. Whale.
Wheel is the animal.
No, whale.
Wheel. Wheel.
Whale.
W-H-E-E-L.
Whale.
Wheel.
How do you say?
How do you say wheel or whale?
What do you mean whale or whale? Whale.
Chen.
Whale.
Leviathan?
Yeah,
wheel or whale?
Whale.
Whale is the-
Yeah, the animal.
Big.
Whale.
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 Wheel is
I
like the
s-
car wheel.
Yeah.
Also Leviathan.
No.
I heard
Thank you,
people in
guys.
the United
W-
States say wheel.
W.
I want to be a wheel.
No, whale.
Whale.
Wheel is the...
The, yeah.
Wheel. The
I
car
swear
wheel.
they're
Oh,
saying.
wheel is that
This is
also.
whale.
This
I
is-
swear they're saying
This
wheel.
is the snapper of a whale, you know. Whale snappers.
Whales. Snapper.
You can be also art. It could be both. It
Could be
could be.
both.
What else it could be?
What else? could
Nuts.
be? Yeah, it looks like peanuts.
Yeah.
This.
It's a whale. Final
It's-
decision, guys.
I don't know. I'm calling it wheel.
Let's bring it to the judge.
I swear I saw people in
wanna-
United States saying wheel.
I want to talk to the
Maybe it's accent thing.
jury.
Answer to me if it's accent thing. Please help me. Help me. Maybe in Papua New Guinea they are saying wheel.
Papua New Guinea.
Papua New Guinea.
Maybe in Australia. Maybe in I don't know.
In Hebrew, you say Papua New
In Australia they are saying to die. How? Die. I don't understand Australian's accent actually.
Really?
Yeah, I don't understand it all. Nothing, you know?
I can understand, yeah.
We were in Thailand, me and Chanil, and was a couple from Australia, and I didn't understand a word.
Really?
Seriously. And all the time Chanil translate me, and he's translating in English, but I didn't understand the accent. Yo, it was so
For
difficult.
me, a British sometimes can be very hard.
No, British I can understand them
Everything.
clearly. Australian is the hardest thing.
Australia. So cute, huh?
Very. You
This
wanna
is like
get
a
into the
proper
water?
vacation place, huh? Like everybody
Yeah.
here, it's in vacation mode. Just come to lay
You don't
back.
think that the beaches are
chill.
looking better than Jamaica? Like
Yeah,
the
for sure,
beaches,
for sure, for sure.
how they are maintained
I
here.
agree. No, but this is also a very rich area, so. But I think I haven't seen in Jamaica something like that.
Yeah. In Negril you haven't been there yet, but it's not like that.
I
don't
haven't
know.
seen or I didn't see.
You
I haven't seen
it
yet. Okay, I haven't seen yet. Yes.
Yeah. But here it's really beautiful
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
in there. I feel like Jamaica is virgin
It's
country.
virgin in a way.
Yeah, like I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
It's
virgin
really
is
if you want to feel like local life and to not be here. It's more touristic. It's more to
more
live.
touristic. You have like more high level of
Yeah,
services.
yeah.
Yeah.
And Jamaica, you don't really.
But I think it's also the kind of the tourism you attract because think about it, they are attracting many foreigners, tourists, rich one. I believe so. And Jamaica,
Jamaica also rich, but it's the people are coming more for the culture.
exactly.
I think.
And I
Here
think
it's
this is
not.
beautiful.
Here it's for vacation, not
Here is
not
properly
for the
vacation.
people.
Yes, not for the people.
Jamaica is for the people.
So I think if you ask me, like I prefer Jamaica in that term because like,
Yeah.
this is like Thailand for me. Jamaica is very spacious.
But Thailand is cheaper, so I prefer to be in Thailand.
than here. Really?
No, Thailand.
Yes,
is,
cheaper than here. When have you been last time? Because I've been in
No,
Thailand 6
1
times.
year ago.
So you know better.
Me and Chanil, we went 1 year ago, and the prices were still a bit, yeah, it trades up, but
Still.
still really cheap. You know, we had pad thai, I told you, in $1. Pad
Right.
thai, like
In
a
the
good
street.
one on the street,
And
yeah.
in the street, guys, I don't know if you know, Thai street food is the best street food
Wow,
in the world. Better
wow.
buy it in the street than in a shop, than
And
in a restaurant.
papaya salad.
Yeah.
And you have amazing food in Thailand and so cheap.
All the grandmothers,
Also, the hotels are really cheap. Everything is cheap.
all the old lady that prepare for you the food over there, right? They have like experience of like 20 years, 30 years. This is only what she's doing, like pad Thai.
Thailand, amazing. I don't know.
Thailand.
Also, they are. It's just different culture. I
You wanna
feel.
go there?
Or maybe go up.
Yeah, let's
They're
go.
still there.
That we will recognize the place.
Woo! I feel all my muscles from the walk yesterday.
Very important also to walk on the beach, on the sand, like barefoot, because it has a lot of healing.
What, the sand?
Yeah, the sand.
Really?
When you walk barefoot, you basically
Really?
electric charge your body with the energy of the earth.
Also the water
Also the
in
water.
the sea.
I agree, but yeah, it's very important. But we are used to go with shoes all the time, so we're not really getting it.
You can understand. But you know that me, because I used to run on the beach every day with my mom, so I got hurt because I used to run barefoot. I had like
From
here,
glass? From glass?
no,
From what?
just the sand, because you are running
just the
without shoes. It's not really good.
So it's scrubbing your skin.
Yeah, and no, like your muscles, like not muscles. You
the
have.
muscles.
I don't know
Okay,
exactly
yeah.
what. Like the doctor told me, because I had a pain for 2 months,
Wow.
and I didn't understand what is this, and I went to him, and then he asked me, "Have you run without shoes?" And then I told him, "Yeah, on the beach," and then he said to me, "It's not really good.
It's-
Even if you are on the beach, you should wear
I tell you what, it's
Shoes.
good, but you have to do it very gradual.
what the
It
running,
means like you have to build your muscles on your feet
maybe."
very gradually until you get stronger, because we used to go.
I don't know, because my mom had it also, and my mom is running 10 kilometer. Like it was the time that every day she
I
was
tell you
running.
what is the problem also with your mother and also with all of us. We're running with shoes.
Yeah.
Think about it. When you're running on a
It's
sand,
different.
all your feet makes the movement. When you're running with the shoes, it's flat. It doesn't give you to do the movement. So basically, all this area of your feet, when you're
Ah.
stepping, it's like very weak. The muscles over there. So you're running
Maybe.
with your legs, but the feet stay all the time straight in the shoe. They don't have the option to do like that. So when you're running now today, you
Maybe.
have a lot of shoes that are barefoot shoes. So they basically demonstrate like you're running barefoot. So they give the all full movement. This is very flexible. It's not like this. This is not flexible, you see? Like very flexible. So you basically walk. So all the time you strengthen the muscles in the feet. So after a while you get like them really strong, and then you can run
I
on
should try.
barefoot.
I should try. But I just know that I got hurt for a long time and I couldn't run, and it was sucks.
Hey, because think about it, we are as humans, we weren't born with shoes. It's something that humanity invented, you know, with the time.
Yeah.
But even the old shoes,
But still, like, you know, if you are not wearing shoes and walking, your skin became really stiff.
yeah,
Like your
but it's
feet.
good. But
Your feet, it's not soft.
yeah, tough. The skin become really thick
Yeah.
and
Thick
hard.
and like hard and
Yeah, and dry.
yeah.
I agree.
So it's a thing. I used to walk a lot barefoot, but then I understood that I have a lot of, I don't know, I got also the injured, and then,
The injury?
yeah.
Okay, yeah. I can understand, but yeah, I think like I have a barefoot with me here, sandals that you actually can run with them. They are for run.
So why
Sandals for
didn't
run.
why didn't you put it yesterday?
I didn't know. I forgot.
Ah.
If I knew I put them, I would bring them for sure.
Why are you walking with flip-flops? I don't
General?
like, I don't like to travel when I'm
This
in,
is one of the most comfortable
it's
flip-flops
not
in the
about
world.
comfortable, it's about the fact that when I'm in a country that is dangerous,
I agree.
I'm not walking with flip-flops. In Thailand, yeah.
I
Here,
agree.
no.
And
Only sandals.
I tell you what, when I went in Santo Domingo,
You put
all
the
the
shoes.
here, it's
Here
very
also,
light,
just for you to know, it looks beautiful and it looks innocent.
but
but-
don't get confused, you say?
No. Also, Negri look innocent, but don't get confused.
Okay.
all these places.
Because we are in a car also, we all the time driving.
I
so
know,
for
but
me,
still, I always with sandals. You don't know if you will need to run,
yes. for
and
sure. I agree with you about that.
it's safetyness. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a safety thing. From
Yeah.
that perspective, I agree with you 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I thought
Also,
about,
it's in the water. I don't like on this to get into this water without sandals because you have a lot of animals here,
I agree.
and you have crabs and stuff.
Yeah,
so-
but you cannot really. I mean, for me, like only stones, but
But it's not only stones. For example, in Negril, not only in Negril, in Jamaica in general, they have a lot of eggs. Eggs, I don't know how to
What
call
do
it,
you-
even not in
tell me in
Hebrew.
Hebrew.
I don't know.
hey,
Chanel told me the name of they have animal like in the sand,
yes,
and if you are stepping on it, it's
What?
really hurt.
really?
Yeah,
Wow, I didn't know
he
that.
told me that. I don't remember. So I'm not really. I'm always getting into the water with these
Not
sandals.
Hippodium,
No, he said something else.
like
he said
porcupine,
something
you know,
like small thing. I don't know. That's what he told me. But he also used to get.
By the way, it's not
into-
hurt like to hold the phone like that, like you hold it without the handle.
It is.
For me, like I couldn't.
I feel like I'm working on my muscles.
Wait,
You know.
I think like your shoulder is almost on the floor in like 5 minutes. We'll drop off.
maybe I should change a hand and then not only my left hand will.
Guys, I have to tell you, she holds the phone like that. It's very, very difficult. I'm telling you.
You know
as a
for how
vlogger,
long? For 14 minutes.
For 40 minutes, it's very difficult, very challenging because
Just try to put your hand like that for 40 minutes.
exactly, like if you don't have the stick to hold it, it can be rough.
But I feel like with the sticks it's also
What?
not difficult.
No, with the stick it's much
No?
easier. Think about it. Like you do this, you can hold it like that. So it's not, and it gives you some height. You can also extend it and make it higher.
Makes
So you
sense.
can also put it here.
Hola.
Hola. And also only when you are speaking with high person like for example Daniel, so you can lift it up, you know. Yeah, but
You
rather
don't really. For me, like our height difference is like you and Daniel. So
yeah.
for me, you it's also high.
Look at Daniel as a giant. Daniel.
Yeah, it is. It's like
Look at the
this
sky.
tree.
Where's Daniel? Look at the sky.
So beautiful.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien. Re bien.
Très bien.
Re bien.
She moved to
Friends.
France because it's an island. People are
You
talking
know
here
that
also.
Ivan said that it's really dangerous to be with the phone like that because someone can grab it and it's always your alone.
Look, what?
If someone will grab my phone because of that,
I'll kill him. Kill? Kill. Okay. Kill.
I'll kill him. I'll punch his head.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this flesh is so horrible.
Yeah.
But I want to have a toast.
Okay. It's our honeymoon.
It's our honeymoon.
We heard a lot of comments, like millions.
Like we are
That's
a
different.
lesbian couple.
We're sisters.
Yeah. And I'm talking.
Yeah.
I want to raise a toast for you.
Okay, why are you shouting so much?
For why are you disgusting?
Not shouting, the opposite. Whispering.
Because I'm in a restaurant and all the people here, I will disturb
Look how
them.
many people in the restaurant.
You want me to film? Excuse me.
Coco Boy want to
Yeah,
be part
yeah.
of
Can I
that.
film you?
Okay,
Yeah.
I want to raise a toast for your life.
Thank
That's
you.
how we're doing it.
You're not blocking the camera?
Oh, sorry. Now I see it. Not blocking, but I saw my finger a little bit.
I want
It's part of the deal, guys.
Oh, he's a crap photographer.
I want to raise a toast for
Yeah.
your life.
Yeah.
Hope it will be a emotional moment because until now I did it 4 times.
Okay.
But, okay. I want to raise a toast.
Okay, you said it 10 times.
Yeah. because I really love you.
Thank you.
And I hope or wish you the best this year. A lot of wine when you want to, and love, and sharing and caring
With me.
I don't understand why everybody thinks you are lesbian.
I
I don't
think you are
understand.
lesbian. You
I
don't,
don't understand.
you don't look like.
She's my baby sister.
Yes.
She's my baby big.
They can kiss. If they kiss, it doesn't mean they are lesbian, guys.
She's my baby sister.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers. Like that, like that.
Sisters can kiss each other. It's okay. Okay.
She blocked me. She blocked me. I think for the food, for the falafel and hummus and all the kabule and
A
stuff.
lot of mosquitoes, I have to say. A lot of them. Enough of them.
Look what a vibe. What a vibe.
When we went
We're
to
in
the mosquito
Cabarete.
bar, we didn't have mosquitoes, but here, a lot of mosquitoes.
Yo, all the. Why? You should look Bar's leg.
Yeah,
Bar.
Barzeg, it's not mosquitoes, it's sand
Look.
flies.
Look. If you will count, we count one leg.
1, 2,
It's like 20 something mosquitoes.
28.
28. Crazy.
They killed me. Look, look. They killed me. They killed me.
Crazy. Wow. Looks so good. But we need a fecal.
8. The second, from the second, what you told me in the beginning. The second message. 8, 0,
Yo. Look how many.
1, 8, 8.
Oh my god.
Number sign. No. This is the one here.
Wow, look at this apartment that we got, guys. Guys, I'm here on Kakaboy channel.
Smash the like button.
Look at this. Look. Look at this apartment. Look.
Amigo.
Look at this apartment. Look at this apartment. Look at this apartment. Wait, but this is the shows. Come. This is the shows. Hey!
Hermano.
This is the shows. This is the outside of the apartment. It's pretty nice, actually. It's pretty nice.